Stop for a second. Don't scroll. Click the link in the description because this is something you don't want to overlook. Here's why people love this product. It delivers real performance without the complications. Smooth operation, strong design, simple interface, everything just works. But what convinced me wasn't the hype. It was how surprisingly good it actually is. It feels reliable, it feels premium, and it performs better than I expected. If you've been tired of products that look good but don't deliver, this one will be a breath of fresh air. So do yourself a favor, click the link, check it out, and see why it's getting so much attention. You'll thank me later. Stop scrolling for a second, you're going to want to hear this. There's a link in the description, and once you check it out, you'll understand why I'm recommending it so strongly. This product has taken off for a reason. Stop for a second. Don't scroll. Click the link in the description because this is